आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the given question here we have is if the foci of a hyperbola line on y equals to x, okay, and one of the asymptotes is given to us is that y equals to 2x, then the equation of the hyperbola, which we have to find according to the question, and it is also given to us that it passes through point 3, 4, and these are the options among which equation of hyperbola comes out. Okay, so what the question is saying here that first statement, if we check out, the foci of hyperbola lie y equals to x, this line, right? It means if I write here foci lie on line y equals to x, what it says, it means that our major axis of hyperbola will be where exactly? It should be on y equals to x line, right? And other condition given to it. Okay, from this what we can depict, if major axis is what, y equals to it, y equals to what, x, it means that major axis divides or bisects the asymptotes basically. This is what it shows. So I can also write it here, major axis bisects, right, the asymptotes. Asymptotes, simple. So after it, what we will do, what is given to us in the question, that one of the asymptotes is y equals to 2x. Okay, so my first asymptote is given to me is what, y equals to 2x, right? If my first is y equals to 2x, what should be my second asymptote? Can you guys say? Okay, look, the slope of this line, which is y equals to x, is 1, right? And this is what dividing the asymptotes into equal or bisects the equally part. So y equals to 2x, so this will become what? X equals to what? 2y, right? Because we can see that here the slope of this line is 2, this line is having a slope of 1, this will divide our slope into 1 by 2 for the second asymptote. So my second asymptote will come out as x equals to 2y, right? Simple. Whenever major axis divides bisects the asymptotes, in that case y equals to 2x and the other asymptote will become x equals to 2y in this specific question here. So now what I am having, my two asymptotes here, a1 and a2, right? So what I'll do, I'll just combine them to find the equation of hyperbola, because this is what given to us in the question, that I have to find the equation of hyperbola, right? So if I combine them, if I product them, this one and this one, a1 a2, this one become what? Okay, so a1 a2 equals to 0, right? Because if I write here, this will become what, y minus 2x, right? And this will become what, x minus 2y equals to 0. Now if I have to find the equation of hyperbola, so what I have to make changes in this equation, I have to add a constant also here, right? We know about the basic concepts of hyperbola, so there should be a constant here. Let's take lambda here, which equals to what, 0. Now somehow I have to remove this lambda because this is a constant and I have to have a specific number or integer value for this lambda, right? So what is given to us in the question, that this hyperbola is passes through point 3, 4. It means that 3, 4 satisfying this equation. Which one? Hyperbola equation. So from, if I put the values of 3 and 4 in x and y respectively, so we can easily find out the value of lambda, right? So this will come out as, this equation will become, if I put the values of 3, 4, 4 minus 2 into 3 is what, 6, with the product of 3 minus 4, 2, 8, right? And plus of lambda equals to what, 0. This will become what, 6, 4, 2, 8 minus 3, 20. Okay, this will become 10, minus of 10, plus of 10. So this will become plus lambda equals to 0. So lambda value will come out as, lambda will be minus of 10. So I place the value of lambda here, right? So this will become, equation of hyperbola will become now y minus 2x, here I have x minus 2y minus of 10 equals to 0, right? Now what I'll do, I'll just simplify this equation. So this will become what, yx minus 2y square, this will become minus of 2x square, sorry, plus of 2x square, and no, okay, this one should be minus, not plus, minus of 2x square, and this will be plus of 4xy minus of 10 equals to 0. So if I more simplify this, this will become 2x square plus 2y square, this will become what, 4, 5 minus of 5xy, and this will become plus of 10 equals to 0. So basically my equation of hyperbola will come out as 2x square plus 2y square minus 5xy plus 10 equals to what? 0. If I go to the question, so my correct option will be option number C, this one.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।